I'm going to show you how to get this result. Let's switch to the editor. I currently have grade 8 flown over 2 pages. The first thing I'm going to do is to set the background. I click on background, go to the rainbow photo album, and I click on this one. Second, I'm going to Portraits tab. I need to check out the book to change the layout structure. Remember that when the book is checked out, nobody else can work on it. So I click Checkout. I ensure that Apply to Section is set because I want to modify the whole section with the same settings. Classic is good. Now the number of columns, I really want to have a lot of portraits, so 6 columns and 9 rows. I don't want any page title created by the engine because I want to set it manually on the right side. Then what I need to do, I need to force a big gutter margin in order to have it justified to the left. So I'm going to put something like 3.5. I can still fine-tune it afterward if it doesn't fit properly. Let's try how it goes. I click on Update Layout. It's perfect. I'm going to check in back the book so everybody can still work on it, but I can continue to fine-tune it. So now what I want to do, I want to change the visual of my portrait here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the portrait itself. And I'm going to add a border. And I'm going to set a white border, for example. Here we go. Maybe a little bit bigger like this. Here we go. Now I'm going to ensure that the font is set properly. So I'm going to click on the text. I put Economica. It's a great font for portraits label. Put that to 6. Here we go. And maybe bold. Oops. 6. Voila. Now I need to put the text right here. I add the text. I'm going to move it here. I'm going to set now center, Enten font. Let's make it very big. I like it. Voila. And we're almost done. What we could do as well, we could have some fun and set the row for each border to match the color on the right side. So it will look something like this. So I'm selecting à la carte and I select the first row. Click on border and let's try to match this color like this. And then I could do the same thing with this row. So as we can see now, I've made some sort of rainbow to match what is on the right side, but I still find the border to be too small. So I could go back to portrait, say to the whole section, click again and just change the size border to all. Like this, for example. Voila.